And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. As the Paris Olympics approaches, it still remains to be seen whether the athletes listed as alternates for Jamaica's team will be with the delegation in the French capital at the time of competition. We delve into the issue as we continue our build-up to TVJ's exclusive coverage of the Olympic Games.
The Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, J3As, finalized its 66-member team for the Paris Olympics last week. 8 of the 66 members were given the Alternative Participant or AP designation. Sources told the TVJ Sports that at least one athlete with the AP designation was told they would have to bear financial responsibility for their accommodation and other expenses if they take up the offer of travelling to France. TVJ Sports put the question to team manager Ludlow Watts, who responded saying they had no discussion of the sort with any athlete. He said they enter reserve athletes in the system as, in the event a necessity arises, they would have been duly registered to compete. He added that in the unlikely event that they are called upon to compete, their expenses would be borne by the JOA, with funding provided by the IOC. According to Section G of World Athletics Qualification System for Paris, AP alternate athletes are non-competing athletes and are not included within the athletes' quota. It says AP alternate athletes can only become competing athletes as per the conditions outlined in the late athlete replacement policy. TVJ Sports had asked Watts prior to the national championships how alternate athletes would be treated for Paris.
Well, yes, you can take that, but they don't stay in the village. But you have to be registered, because if you're not registered in the system, you cannot be brought in. So that can be done. When we do. You have plans to do that. Yes, well, it comes on a JOA in terms of their situation. But we will see, if the 5 people. But one of the things, because we have been very fortunate for a good reason, is that we were having Shelley, Elaine, Jerica. So we're always having problem because the CM3 did the 100, the CM3 did the 200. So we're always having a problem in terms of who going to the heats of relays and things like those. So this is a unique problem to Jamaica.
TVJ Sports also understands that at least one athlete with the reserve AP designation was told upon visiting the J3's office that they would be contacted if the need arises for said athlete to travel to Paris. It's understood that at least one such athlete's management team is making arrangements for them to travel to Paris in the event they are called upon.